Ketchup?
Hmm?
Do you have ketchup? Sorry, Alina.
Afreen.
Afreen, right. I'm sorry, my bad. वो क्या है ना, मैं तुमसे क्लास
ऐसे बात
में।
तक नहीं करते थे।
हाँ, वो ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं तुमसे बात करना नहीं
आपके
चाहती।
दोस्तों से हमारी मिलती जुलती नहीं थी। तो आपका यहाँ आना कैसे हुआ?
I I didn't have anywhere to go. Oh, I don't know. You just came to my mind and
ज़बरदस्ती नहीं है। नहीं बता पा रहे तो ठीक है। एक मिनट। ये आपको का फेवरेट गाना हुआ करता था।
हुआ करता था
अरे
मतलब।
नहीं नहीं, अब वो आर्मी में है ना।
अच्छा, सॉरी सॉरी।
आई वॉज 5 years old तब जब हमने किसे पे Till then it only used to be me and her. अबू आएंगे, कहाँ है, यहाँ तक कि जिंदा भी हैं कि नहीं पता था। अम्मी ही सब कुछ थी मेरी। अबू was posted at the border तब।
मतलब 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 वो नहीं है। He didn't come for your mom's
अबू comes to visit me on my birthday. I mean, last 2 years he didn't come. पर आया करते थे। कभी कभार चिट्ठियाँ लिखते थे। मेरी खुशकिस्मत हो तो फ़ोन पे बात। 1 year, Abu came back for Ramadan. That's when he got me this music.
I ran out of my house. I mean, I had everything in my life, Afreen, everything. I have a big house, a fancy room, महंगे कपड़े, mates to do everything for me from the time I wake up to the time I go to sleep. I mean, I led a very, very comfortable life with my parents having more money than I can ever ask for. They gave me everything. Everything but
Love. अस्सलाम वालेकुम अबू जी। नहीं, बस आपकी याद कर रहे थे। जी नहीं, मैं समझ सकती हूँ। आप अगले साल आएंगे। ख्याल रखना अबू जी। खुदा हाफिज।
every evening when my parents fought, I used to hear abuses, things being thrown around. I would go sit by the window pane in my room, and in the apartment just opposite to mine, I would see this old lady, 70, maybe 75. She was very, very thin and weak, with no life in her eyes. Her room was a mess. I used to imagine that she probably never cleaned it to remind herself that there was no point anymore. Maybe her son never called her. Maybe her husband passed away. Perhaps she never got married. But every evening she used to come by the window, her eyes filled with tears. And she would open this piggy bank placed on her window pane, pour all the coins out, count them every day, put them back in, leaving the piggy bank where it was, close the curtains, and leave. One day, when I came back from school, the road was packed and something seemed unusual. I saw a van, then a body. I was shattered. I didn't even know her name, but I was shattered. I went up to her house, to her room, picked up the piggy bank, and it said, "From mom to Ria, happy 15th birthday." Seeing the photo of her daughter filled in every corner of her room, that's when it hit me. Whatever caused her all the pain, whatever it was that teared her up, that 1 minute she spent every day with the piggy bank made her instantly happy. Maybe, maybe that's all that matters. Maybe she knew she couldn't change whatever she was going through, yet she decided to take happiness of nothing but a piggy bank.
Ammi used to make butter cookies every Sunday and put them in this jar. Bhaiya and I used to compete with each other to see who can finish the most cookies. And when they left, I decided to fill this jar with every moment that I treasured. I wonder how such a fragile jar and a few pieces of paper can bring me indescribable happiness. आप वापस घर लौटेंगी? क्या आप वहाँ पे खुश रहेंगे?
पता नहीं, पर इतना पता है कि और कई छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं मेरी ज़िंदगी में that I don't think I'm going to depend on my expectations of someone to give me the happiness that I deserve.
देर हो रही है. Your parents must be looking for you.
फिर मिलेंगे.